Pero parang pawala na rin.
Mabuhay Pangasinan! Kamusta po tayong lahat ngayong dito tayo ngayon sa Pangasinan Content Creators Awards for 2024. At taga-tanukan, meron po ba? Meron. Alam mo, iba't ibang lumpalong po talaga ng Pangasinan.
Po sa inyo lahat, sa ating po lahat ng ating Pangasinan creators. Magandang hapon po. Unang-una po, gusto ko po muna mag-guess.
And of course, sa lahat po ng mga Pangasinan content creators, welcome po dito sa ating event.
Storytellers, educators, at partners ng community building. Dahil tayo ay gumagawa po ng content na nag-promote kung sino po ang Pangasinan.
And that's our nominees for the Best in Travel Vlog. You may now come up on stage. Sino kaya ang ating Best in Event Vlog?
Sino kaya ang ating daily vlog winner today?
And the winner is Boys J Black!
And for our nominees,
Sino kaya ang nominees collaboration?
Oo nga, partner eh. So, nakaka-excite, no? Yan. So, ito na. Nominees for collaboration.
Taran Diwa Vlog. The honor to please come up on stage. Yes, punta na po tayo sa harap sa ating mga nominees para sa ating Best in Collaboration Vlog.
Ayan na sila. Let's go, sir!
Ayun, ito na ang result natin, mga boss.
And of course, we will award them a certificate of appreciation. Congratulations po for being the nominees for Best in Collaboration Vlog. Okay. And for the winner,
So, ang ating winner to Rima Solan.
congratulations.
Please join Ma'am Rima. Wow! The best in the food blog.
For our presenters, we have Nardong Viajero and
The best in food vlog.
goes to DM Kenji Vlog. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Ian Kenji Vlogs, our best in food vlog.
And the winner of this category charity vlog is goes to Louie TV.
Congratulations, Louis TV. Our best in charity vlog. Longest vlog, do we have the honor?
The nominees for the Beauty and Wellness are
Kain Kagiwa Vlog.
Sumisilip si Papa Boy.
De la Cruz Vlog.
Stop on stage to receive your certificate of appreciation to be awarded by Judges Kathy Kulinik. Once again, for our nominees, please come on
The winner for the Best in Beauty and Wellness vlog is
Rio Avia
Once again, congratulations to our winner for these awards.
Once again, congratulations.
Nanalo sa Best in Prank Vlog is the Red Arcade.
Once again, congratulations.
The nominees for Best in Promotional Vlog is JP Balagtas TV Vlog.
And next, Kabalayan next. Next, Talia Narco.
Best in Promotional Vlog is JP Balagtas.
Congratulations! And of course, once again, let us call on stage the Cardi Aquino and Councilor
So the last year, a message coming from Daddy Frankie. Public servant na nandito, ipagpauman ninyo, hindi ko na kayo mababanggit lahat. Maraming salamat. At syempre, babatiin ko po ang lahat ng Pangasinan vloggers na kagaya ko. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, mga kapatid, mga kababayan, mga kabarangay.